In this video, I'm going to teach you how to recover permanently deleted file from OneDrive. So in order to do this, first head over to your actual OneDrive on your web by going to actual Microsoft.com. Locate the OneDrive by going to the products, and once you're in there, proceed to click on this create free account. Once you're in there, just proceed to sign up directly from here. Now, if you already have an account, click on this sign in instead. So I already have an account, so let me proceed to sign in. Here is my actual OneDrive. So for example, let's try to delete this particular file. Click on it, click on delete, and click on delete right here. Now, as you can see, even though I deleted it, it's not yet permanently deleted. So what we can do is we first need to head over right here first into our recycle bin. You can find it by going to your left hand panel. Click on the recycle bin right here. Once you're in there, you can find right here all of the files that you want deleted. So I have in here these files. If you want to recover those files, you can just proceed to click on them. Then after that, click on this restore option that will appear. But what will happen if it's not here on your recycle bin? So if it's not there, you can just scroll down to the bottom of the page and go over to the link that says check the second stage recycle bin. On some cases, it's not available anymore. So what you can do is you can just head over and locate if it's available already. Once you're on the second stage recycle bin, you can proceed to select the files that you want to restore directly from there. Do take note that there's also a feature for Microsoft 365 that undoes all file and folder actions within the last 30 days, so you can proceed to enable that for it as well. So for that, just head over and then do so using this particular methods. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.